Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we share the best tips and tricks to make your home look amazing. Today we're talking about 6 impactful ways to update your home for 2024. These tips are simple but can make a huge difference. So, if you're ready to give your home a fresh new look, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to keep up with all our latest videos. Let's get started. 1. Fresh coat of paint. Give your walls a fresh coat of paint. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to update any room. Choose a new color that suits your style, whether it's a calming neutral, a bold accent, or something in between. Painting can make your space feel brand new and is a great weekend project. 2. Upgrade lighting. Good lighting can completely transform a room. Swap out old fixtures for something modern and stylish. Consider adding floor lamps, table lamps, or even string lights for a cozy ambience. Also, think about using smart bulbs that allow you to change the color and intensity of the light to match your mood. 3. Add greenery. Plants not only look great but also improve air quality and make your home feel more vibrant. Choose a variety of indoor plants that are easy to care for, like succulents, snake plants, or pothos. Place them in different rooms to create a natural and fresh atmosphere. 4. Update textiles. Swap out old cushions, rugs, and curtains for new ones in trendy patterns and colors. This is a quick way to add personality and warmth to your home. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and materials for a more dynamic look. 5. Declutter and organize. A clutter-free home instantly feels more spacious and inviting. Go through each room and get rid of items you no longer need. Invest in stylish storage solutions like baskets, shelves, and drawer organizers to keep everything in its place. An organized home is a happy home. 6. Personalize with art and photos. Personalize with art and photos. Decorate your walls with artwork and photos that reflect your style and personality. Create a gallery wall with a mix of frames and prints, or hang a single statement piece. Personal touches make your home feel more like you and can be a great conversation starter. And there you have it, 6 impactful ways to update your home for 2024. These tips are easy to do and can make a big difference in how your home looks and feels. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more home styling tips, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!